Panel is mounted. Good morning, everybody. This is Dominic with Rewired Iowa. We are currently out in Carlisle today, and as you can see, we have Logan over here. He is currently trenching. As you can see, everything has... I'll be coming over here to go and pipe up into this unit. So all in all, we are going to be going over to here, digging underneath, setting up a box, piping all the rest of the way. And right down here, you can't really see it, but we have a pipe that's stubbed down, and we are going to be piping into it, providing power up into the panel on the inside. So with that in mind, we'll be right back. We're going to get set up. It looks like he's well on his way to getting trenched. So yeah, it's going to be a fun day. All right. And we are just past 2 feet because you want to make sure to account for the wire. It's going to be laying down as well. So we are 26 inches. We are good to go. And of course, gotta get our trusty red tape down to indicate for the burial. And now we're just burying the rest of it. As you see, works pretty well. But yeah, only about 100 feet to go. Then as you folks can see, got it piped all the way down and it's going up into the panel. So we are going to put this back on, finish shoveling the rest of this stuff in, get the panel all spruced up, and we will be on our way. Now, we already got phase C as the neutral, but we're making sure it is identifiable on both sides. And duct seal the entrance. I'm going to seal in multiple places. When I got everything anti-seize, want everything torqued down, and remove the bonding bushing because that is going to be bonded at the new meter. Because we ended up running 4 wire URD or URD quad in this instance. All right, other than that, we are done. We are going to be working on a panel swap. Obviously, as you can see here, I'm going through and labeling everything else.
So none of the rest of the grounds go in. That's
Gotcha.
the only one it reached. So it's all.
Okay, awesome. Oh Jesus, this is heavy.
Thicker can.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that on purpose. Or did I? Just a few twists. Alright, panel is mounted. Alright, got that all nice and secured. Now we're going to be going through, making up all the grounds and neutrals. Some of these we're going to probably have to extend the neutrals a little bit to make them work. Well, we just went past inspection. He's going to be releasing the meter. But all in all, as you guys can see, everything's all nice and labeled. Home surge protector. And yeah, overall, it's a pretty nice, easy day, other than the fact that the power company was trying to screw us over. But we still got it done just in time before the inspector came over. So with that in mind, we are going to be cleaning up and we are going to be going to the next one. Have a good one, guys. Say bye, Logan. Bye-bye.